How to locate missing files in Google Drive. So first you want to open up your browser and head to Google Drive and then make sure you're signed in. Now the first place to check in is the trash. So you want to go to the trash and check in here to see if you can find the file that is missing or the file that you lost. And from here you can right click on it and then click on restore to restore the file. Now the next place to check in is that if you have recently interacted with the file, you can click on this recent tab right here and you can see all the recent files that you have interacted with, and hopefully from here that you can find the file that you're looking for and simply open it or download it. Now if you can't find the file in your recent tab and your drive, so it could be the file that the file could be created by somebody else and is being shared with you. So they have granted access for you to potentially see or modify the file. You can click on the shared with me tab to see anything that is being shared with you and created by somebody else. And if you still can't find the shared file with you here, it could potentially mean that the owner of the file either removed it or revoked access, like revoked you from accessing the file, and you can no longer see it right here if that's the case. So in that case, you can still contact the owner who created the file and ask them to grant you access again to see or modify the file. Now the last place to check in is if you go back to the home tab right here, and you can either look in here or basically use the search box to search for the file by name. So if you type empty and search, it should bring all the results that match the search term or name. You can also use the advanced search right here by clicking advanced search and specifying the type of the file, the owner, the words it has, if you know specific words in the name. You can also choose the location, whether you want to search in the shared with you, trash, or starred, encrypted, and stuff like that. You can also choose the modified date, whenever the file was modified, if you know specifically, and a bunch of other filters that you can apply, and then you can simply press search to apply these filters to the search. Now another useful tip that you can use is basically go to my drive right here and click on this icon on the right side to view the details, and then go over to the activity tab. And from here you can see all the actions that are performed to files. So if there is a file being shared with you, or basically your own files in here, you can see actions made to these files being logged here. So in that case, you can know if the file has been removed or your access has been revoked, and you can basically see what's happening for everything in here being logged. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.